Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to edit your Grammarly dictionary. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to app.grammarly.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, go to the account section, which is at the left hand side of your screen. Now, navigate to the writing tab here. After that, you can see your dictionary under personal style section. Click on it. Here, you can assign a new word. Click on it and type the word you want to add to your dictionary. And click on Assign button. To delete the added word, you can simply click on this button and your assigned word will be deleted. And that is how you can edit your Grammarly dictionary. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.